Today we're gonna be talking about the wall box. It's a camera, backup camera. So I just open it right now, and let's take a look how this works. It's really heavy. Looks like it made like a really good quality materials. Really heavy. I like it already. So now let's see what is inside. Let's open this. Let's move it. You got here a backup camera. There you go. It has a hardwire connection for the backup system. The plug, I don't know what size it is. It goes to around here. Here, that's the plug that goes here. So that's the one. We got the GPS. I don't know how the GPS work exactly. Oh shit. Has a manual, please. Written manual. It has another manual here. We don't care about that. We got a plug. These plugs, what I see is it has a what do you call this? USB-C. USB-C? That's what you call this? It has a cigarette lighter plug and a USB for charge your phone, all that stuff. You can plug this one to cigarette lighter, and you still have some plug for the USB for charge your phone. Or maybe what I'm gonna do is gonna be cutting this one. I'm gonna cut this one. I'm gonna hardwire it. For me, it's work better for me to hardwire. So it has this little thing that goes on the holder that holds the screen on your actual mirror right now. And with a little cleaner. It has some tools so you can open. I have a bunch of these, but anyway, let's go install it. Let's see how that works. This one here for now. Let's do this one here. We don't want to scratch it. This one here. This one there. There. Oh, the manual. I think we don't need the manual for now. I'm just gonna leave it outside. Take this guy. And this is the box. This mirror is like what? Almost 12 inches. I don't know exactly what is the size, but we're gonna take a look a little bit later too. So let's go install it and let's see how that work. Whatever camera I had on this truck, I'm gonna put it right there. So the new one I will install it here. Sorry for the mess, but right now I had this one. I'm gonna be replacing this camera, and I use the new one, and this camera gonna go on that truck. So let's install it. Let me see what kind of plug is this. Okay, this is different. But first, I had to see if this backup camera work with this new mirror. So let's do that first. If that one works, it's gonna be easier. I just want to replace this plug, and that's it. Because this plug is different, as you can see here. This one worked really well, but just to compare, I'm gonna show you the size a bit of this new mirror. I like the wall box a lot better because it's huge. It's bigger, a lot bigger. So since I don't use much the blue truck, I'll install this one here. So let's see how that works. USB-C is connected. That's the power cable. So only for testing, I'm just gonna plug this one on the cigarette lighter and turn my key. There you go. So right away we see this mirror start working. Okay, I forgot. I had to remove this one, but I'm gonna wait until I install everything. So also had to remove this from there. this was the way it was installed, the other one. So what I did was I got this one from Amazon. This is a holder for the camera, so you can get this to Amazon, or maybe I can put a link on the description so you can get it. It was like a $20, something like that, 19 and something. So I will use this one again to install the new one. So let me show you how's this one work. So this is the camera, this is the holder that goes on top here. Install it right there. You got one of these rubber band holder that come with the camera, and just put it right here. Here, and then the other ends, put it right here. For testing purpose, there you go. Install it right there. All right, let's connect the backup camera, which is this plug right here. Connected. What is it? This is the one. Okay, now it's connected. Asking me to, let me move this one. Move the paper. So now it's asking me to format car. Put on side formatting. Nice, I like it. It's working perfectly. So let's put this R. So when I put this one on R, which is right there, I mean, you see the line? So I want the camera to see the front of the car. So what you do is go here. If this one is recording, you have to stop. Now it's not recording. You see, it's not recording. So you go here, you see this little button here. Select that one. Now you got the front of the camera, and when you put the car on reverse, like I'm gonna do right now. Let me move it. Reverse. Now it's showing the back of the rear camera. In my case, I'm gonna keep not the front camera. I'm gonna keep. Oh, you see, you can flip it. You can do both screen as well, front and rear. You can keep it like that. Every time you do R, you got the full screen, but on the reverse camera. You put in P, and you can see both. But I don't want that. I want only the front. I mean, I always want the back at the camera. I want to keep it right there, so I can see when I'm driving. It's like you are watching your mirror, but electronically. All right, guys, it's working as supposed to be. That's the way I want to leave it, so I can see my rear mirror with this digital camera when I'm driving. And also when I do, now it is in reverse. So this is how it looks. I show you the line for the parking. And this is how it looks without, when you are going forward. If you want to change that, like I said before, you just stop recording and switch it with this little thing here. See, this is the front of the truck. When you go forward, if you want to keep it like that, it's up to you. And also, you have dual camera. Yes, dual camera, front and rear. You can keep it like that too. Obviously, I gotta move this guy from here because he's on the way. So you need a clear vision for recording, just in case. I got another camera here, but this is not working properly. So this will be removed as well, so you don't see this camera coming here. So here you guys, I'm gonna install the GPS, which is right here. They recommend to install it right here. I'm gonna put it, install it somewhere right here. So signal, stick it there. What's going on? There. And then the cable's gonna go here, and you got an idea, got a mess right here. This is for testing, and that's why they give you the little thing. What is it? What is the little tool? It was on the back, the yellow 1 second, got it right here. That's why they gave you this little thing, so you can put the cable inside. Just pull it right here and put the cable inside of the truck. Once everything's connected and everything's clean, all the cables gonna go. I'll show you how it looks like. But so far, this is how it's looking. It looks good, I like it. I'm gonna keep it there. That's the way I want to do it. I like it. Also, that's gonna help me when I do have a trailer. So the trailer hitch is right there. When I need a trailer, I'm just gonna tilt the camera a little bit down so I can install. I'll show you right now. You see as I look, when you need the trailer, you want to hook the trailer on your truck. You see the trailer hitch, you can see it here, and you can guide your truck on the trailer hitch. So it's really good, I like it. I'm gonna keep it.